I have in front of me a set of 10 jelly crimp connectors, and they're available with low-cost postal option directly from freetv.ie, and they're extremely useful for joining together either phone or alarm cables, because we can do it with just a very basic set of tools. No need to pair back the cables, and the gel gives a very secure seal as well. So let's just see how exactly we'll do it. Well, there's two component parts with it really. There's the gel on top, which will be pressed down normally using pliers, and then we have two little slots here for a cable running directly into it. Okay, so I'm just going to display it here, and I'm just going to get my first cable here. I'm going to insert it directly in. I will hold it in like this, and I just want to show the video the same thing on the far side. I'll just press it in, and now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get this pliers I have in my hands. I'm just going to try to hold it in a manner that you can still see it on the video, and now press down quite hard, and now all of a sudden the cables are joined together. So it's actually pierces through the cable, and that's how it's able to give the join, and that's exactly how we do it. Now, I remember in the past having problems with phone cable in our attics, trying to join them in various different ways and never ever getting a good connection on it. And what we were very, very lucky is I just had guys in, showed me to use this, and it worked perfect. So that's exactly what I do. I'm talking to electricians around. So one of the reasons I haven't stocked this up until recently is just couldn't find a supplier for it, but I've overcome that problem in the recent past. This is a really handy tool. It actually comes in bags of hundreds. We just sell them out in tens, because obviously for DIYers out there, this is probably the quantities of what to buy it in. So that's it anyway, an overview of the Jelly Crimp connector pack of 10 available directly from freetv.ie.